This video has been developed to provide guidance on the principles of completing assigned actions within BSafe. Managing actions within BSafe is critical to maintaining the safety of our locations, and therefore it is recommended that actions are checked regularly and completed on time. Once you are logged into BSafe, to complete an action assigned to you, you will need to first search for and navigate to the location page to which the action relates. At the top of the location page, select the Actions tab. The screen will then change to show the Actions screen. Here you will see a list of active actions raised from the completion of compliance tasks. For each action, you will see the following information. Action number, this is a unique number for this action. Priority level, this will show low, medium and high within a triangle. RAG status, the triangles will be displayed as either red, amber or green, and actions will be presented in the following order. Red means the action is now overdue and needs to be completed as soon as possible to maintain compliance. Amber indicates the action is due, and green indicates the action is not due. Type of compliance task the action was raised from, the date the action is due, the status of the action, the person the action has been assigned to, and therefore the person responsible for completing it. This person will have received an email to inform them that an action has been assigned to them. A brief description of the action raised. If the action you are looking for is not in the list, the filter function can be used to narrow the search. You can also use this function to view completed or other action statuses. Filter the action by clicking on the filter button which is located above the list of actions. Selections can then be made from each of the drop-down fields such as RAG status, risk, status, compliance category. You can also filter the search by name or by date. Once all filters have been set, click Apply and a new filtered list of actions will be displayed. To return to the original listing, select Filter once again and then select Clear. To complete an action, click on the Update Action button in the first column. A new window will be displayed where the following information should be included. Add a comment. This is where any supporting comments should be added about the action. Action status. There are a choice of action statuses that can be selected from the Action State drop-down menu. There is an explanation of each action status available to download. This can be found in the BSafe User Guide section on My Learning. It is important that the correct status is selected for the given situation. If an action cannot be completed on time, colleagues can request an extension by completing an online request named Action Extension Request Form. This is located on the bridge. This requires line manager approval. High-risk actions cannot be extended. Select Document. This is where any relevant or supporting documentation should be uploaded. A short video on how to upload photos and documents is available. Action Assigned User. This should be used if the action is still active but needs to be reassigned to someone else. It's important to speak to the person first before reassigning the action on BSafe. Click on Update to save the changes. You have now successfully updated an assigned action. When initial work is undertaken to complete an action, the status should be changed from active to in progress. As progress is made, updates should be added right through to completion. Doing so will build a historic record of progress, which will be visible by hovering over the small clock face in the second column of the actions listing. If you cover multiple locations as part of your role and want to manage actions for these locations, you can click on Actions on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In this screen, you can filter your search in different ways. Alternatively, you can click on Only Show My Actions and then search. You will find listed below will be all the actions assigned to you across multiple locations. You have now successfully completed, updated or assigned actions within BSafe.